Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our really cool little Willys Pickup. Just got the black steel wheels on it. New paint on it. Previous owner had it repainted a few months ago. So in 2023, I believe it was in the beginning of 23. So paint's pretty nice. We'll just show you a few flaws. And excuse the wind. A little rougher here. Rest of it's got a really nice shine. Just filler in there. I'm sure to mold that. Interior redone beautifully. Custom interior, stereo, automatic shifter. There's all your gauges, floor mat. Just a really nice interior. And rhino line the box. Little rock chips down here from driving it. I don't know what happened here. Obviously this leaf spring hit up in here, so I got a little damage here. They must they just left it that way, so I got a little damage there, a little cracking in the molding there, in the seam sealer type stuff. But pretty cool, dual exhaust here. You can see it says Willys. Everything nicely plastic, not scratching. Same thing here, a little issue down here on the box, and then a little seam sealer crack in here. But a nice driver quality rod, custom 305 automatic, I believe, so the truck goes down the road nice. Has air conditioning, and like I said, nice job on the paint. Got a good shine to it. This truck's nice enough to show, for one thing, because you ain't gonna have many in this class if they'll put you in the Willys class. Now, if they put you in the street rod class, yeah, you're not gonna win. But right there's some rock chips on there too, just from driving it. So pretty cool truck. Nice above average paint job on it. You see the shine on it. And the interior's done, so just a high quality little truck and pretty cool. Not many of them around. So any questions? 605-695-7391.